Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna look at this horoscope app. So I don't know if you're interested in horoscope or something, but I'm pretty sure Yodha will help you out. So as you can see what they're saying, welcome to Yodha. We are the team of Vedic astrologers from Nepal. Every morning we make new horoscopes free of any charge. To start getting them, please let us know a few birth details. Okay, let's begin. I'm a female. My date of birth is it's okay. Birth time, I guess it was 2 a.m. p.m. No. Country of birth, it's Turkey. Okay, then we go, click save. Hello, as current you might be feeling a bit out of sorts because something doesn't look right enough in your life. Either someone seems to be bothered with the choice you're about to make, or they're not happy with you for some reason and don't acknowledge it. The planets are encouraging you to act in the best way you can. You can't control the emotions or reactions of other people, but you can cultivate kindness and understanding. It is beneficial to keep doing what you feel is the right thing, and in the end, those around you will be able to recognize it and respectfully accept your deeds. I like this. So the color of the day is today is like this cobalt blue, and number of the day is 3. So okay, this is good. So let's see. By the way, you can edit your profile. You see on the top right corner, we have this profile icon. We click there and we can actually, maybe you will learn the exact time that you were born. And you can ask your mom like, oh mom, what was it? And she goes like, I don't know, we have to check your birth certificate. And you go look for your birth certificate and then you cannot find it for a long time. So you'll be like, all these things that I'm getting, maybe they're not correct because I didn't put my birth time accurate or something like that, but you can figure it out. And after you figure it out, you can just change all of it from here and then click save again. Missing birth details, okay, add now. Sorry. Yeah, same thing, but let's see, let's change it, let's see if it will. Let's see, Turks and Kakos. You cannot. City center. I don't know about Turks and Caicos Islands. Maybe it's the birth date. So let's change that one too. Oh no, it is about the birth date actually, I believe. Okay, that's good. Let's see what we have from these 3 verticals. We have our astrologers, Bibasnet. We can see from here they're all working for this app. So Kesab, Durga, Niranjan, Anil, they have a lot. So we also have why Vedic. So Vedic astrologers derive from their professional experience and have already helped many people to achieve positive results. They are firm believers that Vedic astrology can assist the recipient in becoming a more successful person, and it is their mission to assist clients in doing so. So So Vedic actually comes from the word Veda, which means knowledge. The Vedas are the oldest and most significant scriptures in Hindu spirituality, documented by ancient seers called rishis. So the Vedas tap into the mechanics of creation and are used in contemplation and deep meditation. So Vedic astrology is also called Jyotish, which means eye or light of nature. So this is like nature and knowledge come together and creating this astrology. We also have ideas what to ask. So we can also ask these questions. Yodha, my astrology. Oh, so if you later, you can. This is a horoscope. If you you see there, they have two other Yodha, my astrology pro, Yodha, my astrology light. We're in the horoscope, so you can actually ask your question in the Yodha, my astrology light. They also have. Let's go and see settings. Oh, new horoscope. Oh yeah, so every new horoscope that comes, you can be reminded at any time you want. I'm not even awake by this time, so I'm gonna go with 5 p.m. Okay, I think to get the best of this app, you should actually download at least this app. You don't have to go pro, but I think you should have this Yodha My Astrology app, because horoscope seems like it's not actually enough. You cannot ask questions, because in that one, if you have a question, a genuine guru has an answer. Ongoing changes in the positions of planets and other celestial objects of the universe affects major aspects of your life, they're saying. Hurry up, use your chance to ask authentic Vedic astrologers from Nepal anything you need to know. My next video is going to be about that, most probably. So let me go and ask my first question, so see if it makes sense or it does not. So let's learn, and if I feel like okay, this one I can tell my people, go and download this video. But if I don't like it, I'm not gonna let you guys know, because I don't want to put you guys on something that doesn't feel right. So here is my question. What is your actual sun sign? I would like to ask. This is just what I want to ask. I'm a Scorpio, and what is yours? And what's the best skill? Let me not say skill. What's the best thing about your sun sign? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna come down and see and read all of it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next videos.